You want me to operate? You want me to? Meere shouldn't operate?
Namaste everyone present here. We are team Innovista Six. Myself Tanmay Aras from CSAI branch. Today we are addressing the problem faced by the cloud-based AI services or the users of that. Usually the cloud-based AI services provide you a subscription plans per month like $29 per month starting for example as Amazon Web Services, and many of the people cannot afford to it. In Indian currency if you convert it is around 2000 to 3000, and this deals with affordability, and many people are not aware of how to use it, and so we have produced a solution for it, a product called Octo AI. So next slide. Our product is Octo AI. It is basically a prototype which runs completely offline without relying on the cloud services. It is running, and it eliminates the need for the costliest cloud services and so on. The next, let's deal with the technical approach of the problem.
So myself Kritika, I am just going to deal with the technical aspects, which is nothing but the software and the hardware tools. So the hardware tools which have been used over the prototype is the Raspberry Pi and the Raspberry Pi activator cooler. So the activator cooler is nothing but when the system is going in the process, and it will be fed with the information. So we need systems to cool down. So we are using the active cooler. And next is the power bank, Bluetooth and the earphone. And SanDisk Ultra microchip card which consists of 32 GB. And micro SD card to SD card adapter. And the software tool which have been used in the prototype is Python, C++ and the Linux. And the AI model which have been used in the prototype is the Alpaca. I'll hand over to Monish.
So now the concept of Octo AI works with the feasibility concepts like first one about technical accessibility, as they are using Raspberry Pi, which is the advanced version in the motherboard processor types, microcontrollers, and we have been using the advanced concepts using like Pythons have many libraries like OpenCV, PyCharm, etc. And also the AI frameworks like TensorFlow, Python, OpenCV have been optimized to run ARM architecture as well as been compressed so that it can run in the Raspberry Pi with Python and C++. Suppose the device can efficiently manage lightweight AI models. And in economic feasibility, as it is a low-cost hardware, the Raspberry Pi 5 has associated components like cooler, micro SD card, and USB drives, which is relatively inexpensive, making the setup affordable for individuals and small business scales and education institute to explain for the students as well as the lecturers, and no cloud cost. By running AI models locally, Octo AI eliminates ongoing cloud service fees, significantly reducing the total cost of the ownership over time. Then market feasibility. In market feasibility, we are going to see about the growing demand. There are increasing number of demands for the local AI solutions, particularly in education as well as small business and hobbyist communities. The ability of offering AI without the need for expensive hardware or cloud subscription makes Octo AI attractive to a broad audience. And the potential challenges and risks seen in Octo AI is the thermal management. Running in intensive AI tasks can cause the Raspberry Pi to overheat, potentially leading to throwing or hardware damage in proper cooled. And also software challenges. The AI model need to be optimized for the Raspberry Pi ARM architecture. This might involve quantization or other techniques that reduces model size and complexity without sacrificing too much accuracy. And the strategies for overcoming these challenges will ensure that using cooling solutions like with the inclusion of Raspberry Pi active cooler it is essential for managing thermal issues, additionally providing users with guidelines on optimal placement and usage can help preventing overheating. And the user option and market penetrations are educational overreach, partnering with educational institutions and offering workshops on this helps the students as well as the AI hobbyists to know more about it, and also continuous feedback from the receivers as well as the clients. I hand over to Shashwat.
Good afternoon everyone, this is Saswat Mishra and now I'm going to be explain about the impact and the benefits of our model. The first basic questions anyone will ask that why we are going to purchase our model, what will be the benefit, whether in the market the same type of product like in the Google, Chat GPT and Alexa like products are available in the market, but why we are going to purchase our models. The main benefits, for example, I am saying that if you are something belonging from a rural area or you are from a village or whether you are just be going for travel to a remote area and there is you are facing a lots of internet connectivity problem and you are not able to connect the Wi-Fi also there. At that time you can use this model. It will be helpful for you because it will give all answer of your question without internet connectivity. Whether you are just be ask any type of questions in the form of voice, it will be also reply in the form of voice. Then there is a small diagram also be there. I can be say this. There is a headphone also be there. That headphone also connected to your device through the Bluetooth, and whatever the question you want to ask, then you will be asked there. And there Raspberry Pi we are using as processor that whatever the question you will ask, it will take your question and it will be processed, and whatever the output you will give, that also be in the form of speech. And the another benefits is that there also storage capacity is there. Whatever data you want to be storage there, also you can be store your data in that SD card also be available. Whatever the data you have be stored in that, that also be in full of security. And using Octo UI, it will give the full security to your data that any other can't be able to access your data, whatever you store there. And when I just go to talk about the benefits, it's very easy to use. A very small child as well as a school student to an adult person, anyone can be access these things, and school students like can be helpful for do the homework, and adult person can be asked any type of query. And we can be say that if a shopkeeper is there selling the products in a shop, sometimes I said before that it have the capacity that it can store the data, that shopkeeper can be store all about the data, what the product can be available and what about the cost, what is there in that shop. Sometimes happen there are more number of customers came at a time to the store. That time it's difficult to be manage those customers who are be there in that shops. This model will be help the customer. For example, a customer when this lost time, more number of customers are there. One customer will come and ask to our model that is there sugar is available in there. Then our model will be reply whether it is available. Then it will be say that it is available and it's 40 rupees per kg. That type of information that also this model will be informed to you. And we can say that there is many blind schools also. There are some handicapped students are not able to read those things. In that cases, it's not able to type and ask those questions. It's very easy to be asked by asking those questions, and they will get those answered. And the benefits without using any internet connectivity. Sometimes when your driver is driving the car or bike, that time also it's not able to be right and ask some questions. That time also by using this model you can get the answers. And the another is economic benefits is that I have said that in other things if you just be purchase it, then you have to recharge for that Wi-Fi and internet connection, but it's one time payment product. If you just be buy one time and not need to be purchase again and again, one time buying you can be use this product, and it will be eco-friendly. That it's a low power consumption, that's not need to be connected to the direct electricity current. By using a small power bank also we can be provide the electricity to it. Thank you.
So next. So these are the references we have. Thank you all.